Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, स्वागत नहीं करोगे इनका? You see on the screen the man, the myth, the legend, the superstar of Bollywood. In the house tonight, we have Mr. Salman Khan.
I love you all. दोस्तों, ना कोई मंजिल है, ना कोई साथी है, फिर भी निकल पड़ा हूं घर से। शायद जिसकी तलाश है वही साथी है, वही मंजिल है।
All right, Hyderabad, like I said, swag से करेंगे सलमान भाई का स्वागत। जब मैं बोलूंगा भाई भाई, आप बोलोगे सलमान भाई, भाई भाई, भाई भाई।
मेरा ख्वाब मेरे ख्यालों की रानी, किसी दिन बनेगी हमारी कहानी।
You know who's in the house. Make some noise, Hyderabad, come on.
अरे लिफ्ट तेरी मन है, कैसे मैं आऊं, दिल रज़ामंद है। ऊंची है बिल्डिंग, लिफ्ट तेरी मन है। कैसे ऊंची है बिल्डिंग, अरे लिफ्ट तेरी मन है। कैसे मैं आऊं, दिल रज़ामंद है।
Night of racing. This is round 2 of Indian Supercross Racing League. We are coming to you live from GMC Balayogi Sports Complex in Gachibowli. And of course, the atmosphere is outstanding here. These are the new tracks in Hyderabad where the riders are ready to race tonight. They're all geared up with their machines revving and ready to go. And we are ready to go as well. Live from Hyderabad, the audience are ready with their phones in hands. Look at the kids. The atmosphere is absolutely electric. They're all geared up because this Indian Supercross Racing League Season 2 is happening for the first time in Season 2 here in Hyderabad, and we're all excited to bring you all the action live. It's of course a festival here. It's the festival of speed. It's the festival of absolutely amazing machines with their riders. Joining me here is Saumil Arora, and we're all in awe of the atmosphere here with the audience. How geared are you for round 2?
So geared up, so geared up. I'm fired up. I haven't slept properly last night because I was just imagining, dreaming of what it would be like to have the stadium with thousands of fans, with the best riders from across the world, from the USA, from Spain, from France, from Australia. They are all here in India. They are all here to give us a proper show. And what's more exciting than that? It just cannot be better.
Absolutely. This feels like a carnival in truest form. And guess what? Our brand ambassador of Indian Supercross Racing League, Salman Khan, is in the house, ready to watch the races live in Gachibowli Stadium here in Hyderabad. And his presence brings an aura of a different kind. How big is this support from Salman Khan, the brand ambassador, being live in the stadium?
It's insane. It's incredible. Salman Khan brings in such a wide audience. All of India is watching Salman Khan. Everybody's following his every next step. When he comes to a motorsport event like this, when he's able to bring the eyeballs to the best of India and so many other riders who are here to elevate the spectacle of an event like this, it means a world of good for the world of motorsport. We have died for celebrities like this to endorse motorsport, to bring their audiences, to bring their prestige and to elevate the sport to a next level. With Salman Khan, I think Supercross is going big time.
Absolutely, and because of his presence, what happens is the eyeballs, we get more eyeballs here for this sport. It's a big support for the motocross fraternity overall, because there are conversations now on a higher level, more people, more reach, with a celebrity, a global superstar backing this league.
Exactly. If you guys have been watching Instagram, you've been seeing so many reels of Salman Khan from the Indian Supercross Racing League press conference. Everyone's been talking about it. He in fact got so many young Indian Supercross racers, got them on board and was like, I want to know more about your story. I want to know more about your journey. And imagine what it does to the racers. Imagine what it does to the community. Imagine what it does to the league in general and the sport when someone as big as him is here. And the best part is, Sagarika, he's not faking it. He's genuinely a lover of motorcycles. He has an insane collection of motorcycles that he told us about at the ISRL press conference. And he genuinely believes in riding. He's passionate about it. He's passionate about dirt. He's passionate about racing. So this, in my mind, is a match made in heaven. Celebrities, big stars, so many people, big stadium. That's more like it. That's the Salman Khan vibe. That's the ISRL vibe.
Absolutely, and that's the champion. Matt was meeting Salman Khan, of course, Veer Patel, also making him meet all the riders. This is a beautiful site where conversations are happening. There is so much support from the fans as well, who've turned up in huge numbers here in Hyderabad. I mean, all the roads are leading to Gachibowli Stadium today for sure, because of all the action that's going to take place here.
Yeah, absolutely. The cab drivers, the restaurant owners, the auto rickshaw drivers, the hotel people, everyone's talking about only one thing. अरे वो dirt bike race होने वाली है ना Gachibowli Stadium में. That's what they're all saying. Everyone feels the buzz. Everyone feels the vibe. And it's incredible to see Salman here meeting all the kids who, by the way, by attending an event like this, are going to be learning about the sport, are going to be witnessing it in person. And that, my friend, is how the next generation of Indian racers comes about. In the past, we never had an event as big like this. We never had big celebrities coming down and attending an event and bringing prestige to it. All the fans here are witnessing Supercross racing. At least 10 of them will go back and be like, I want to be a Supercross racer. I want to be a rider. I want to go compete. And that's how the next generation keeps growing.
Absolutely. Well, the stadium is all ready for the opening ceremony here. It's a huge carnival here for fans who've come out in huge numbers. And there is a Rise fan park, which is my favorite part, because that is like the action before the action that begins really on the tracks. But what happened in Rise fan park, where fans were enjoying, it was truest form of carnival that we've witnessed.
Yeah, exactly. For context, guys, the Rise Motor Fan Park is the home of all the fans, of all the brands and the entire community. Everyone's there celebrating with music, with great food, celebrating new bike launches, new car launches, checking out different products in the motorsport world. You could buy bike top boxes and tank bags and riding suits and check out different cars and chain lubricants and everything that it takes to be an automotive fan. Everything's available. And the best part is, Sagarika, meeting people, building up a community. Normally, the entire motorsport community is so scattered. We're all in different cities, different places. But at the Rise Motor Fan Park, everyone is together. You meet so many friends, you meet so many different people you see online, and you're able to bond over one common love, motorsport. It's incredible.
Absolutely, and some brilliant visuals here where the brand ambassador of Indian Supercross Racing League is in conversation with the riders who are about to put up a show on the tracks that are built here, where the fans have come in huge numbers to support this. And what this does is just amplifies the conversation about motorsports in our country. It gives a push, a big validation. It's not just about backing a league of this stature, but Salman Khan endorsing this, backing this, is giving validation, and that's a huge thing and inspiration for the next generation to come.
Yeah, and Supercross is huge globally, by the way. In the US, when they do have the AMA Supercross, they have 6,000 60,000 people in stadiums coming down to watch Supercross races every other week, by the way. So the fact that we're able to bring that culture here is insane. I see no reason why we can't have it here. Do we like motorbikes? Oh, we love motorbikes. Do we love racing? We love racing. Do we love drama? We love drama. So this is the culmination of everything, of high intensity action, of really high speed racing, and riders who are absolute daredevils. We in India love daredevils. I mean, बाजीगर वही तो कहते हैं जो खतरों से लड़के आता है, जो हार के जीत के आगे आता है. And that's what these Supercross riders are all about. They are actual bazigars. They are real daredevils. So the fact that thousands of people have come around to watch this, I think it tells me one thing: the future is bright. The brands are investing. The celebrities are here. The riders are here. The fans are here. There's no reason not to come to the next rounds.
Absolutely, and because of the presence, this is how you nurture next generation of talent, and this is how you build heroes and inspire everyone to take up the sport, come forward, don't shy away. This is the next thing, the next big thing India is going to witness.
Absolutely, and let's not forget, guys, motorsport is officially recognized as a sport. It wasn't the case earlier. The governments used to say it's not a sport. Now it is. It's recognized. Gaurav Gill is an Arjuna athlete for rallying. So our Supercross riders, our motocross riders, our racing drivers have gone representing India all over the world, making sure that the world knows about India. This is important. Our riders today will come and perform here, and later on will go on and make us proud.
All right, then we are about to unite this entire stadium, because moments away from now we are going to stand up for the national anthem. The atmosphere is absolutely electric, and moments from now we'll have riders taking on the track that's been built here in Hyderabad, and absolutely, and looking forward to the races tonight. We've got 3 categories, but live action comes up very, very soon. The fans are eager. We're all eager. We've got Salman Khan in the house, and now we will start and unite everyone for the national anthem.
National anthem of India.
Proud moment, powerful moment. This stadium has just come alive. Hyderabad looks like a racing galaxy tonight. The lights absolutely creating so much excitement. We've got the audience here all geared up for the round 2 of Indian Supercross Racing League Season 2. Salman Khan, the brand ambassador of ISRL, is in the house. Wow, look at this. This is Hyderabad Stadium lighting up. Hyderabad has showed up, they have showed out, and this is suddenly become the Festival of Lights, Somil.
It is incredible. It is absolutely incredible. What other Indian sporting league have you seen with such a spectacle? With lights, with fireworks, with riders 50 feet up in the air, jumping all the way through, racing each other, rubbing elbows, rubbing shoulders on track, and giving it all that they have in the dirt. This is the SIAT Indian Supercross Racing League. This is what this championship is all about. And my word, this series has elevated this showcase to another level. This is, I mean, we always talk about leading lights and entertainment, right? This is what we always have here. Incredible.
Absolutely. Absolutely, and this
Hi, Surbi.
stadium has completely lit up, and we're all excited for the action that's about to begin very, very shortly. And we're all waiting here, gearing up. But right now, the fans are enjoying the atmosphere in Gachibowli Stadium here in Hyderabad, because this is round 2 of Indian Supercross Racing League Season 2. And I have with me Surbhi Gupta, team principal, BBR Racing. Surbhi, how excited are you about this Season 2 here? Your team is on top of the championship leaderboard. How do you feel about it?
It feels great to be on top of season 2 as of now. Let's see what Hyderabad holds for us. But I love the energy. Look at the stadium, it's so lit and it's going great. Looking forward to this season for sure and this race obviously.
Well, the fans have come here in huge numbers. Did you guys expect this kind of a turnout?
I did actually, but not after what's happening with the airlines. But Pune was also quite a turnout. So looking forward to this one and hoping that Calicut is also great for us.
Right, now this year has become a celebration. Sawmill fans in the stadiums are all excited, all geared up. What do you think they can expect here this evening?
They can expect some high intensity action. Some of the best riders in the world who have come from all the way Australia, all the way from the US, all the way from France, from Spain. They're all competing here. They all want to showcase what it means to them to come out and take part in an event like this. And thousands of fans in the stadium.